In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove video background in Canva. We'll walk through the exact process, and I'll share clear tips so you get a clean professional look without any confusion. Start by opening your video project in Canva and selecting the clip you want to edit. If you are working with multiple clips, make sure the correct one is highlighted in the timeline or on the canvas. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box and editing options appear. This ensures that any changes you make apply to the right piece of footage. Next, access the effects for that clip. On desktop, click Edit Video in the top toolbar. If you are on mobile, tap Effects. If you don't see these options, double-check that the clip is actually selected. Sometimes just clicking the clip again brings up the right menu. Now it's time to apply the background removal. In the Tools sidebar, choose Background Remover. This tool analyzes your footage to separate your subject from the background automatically. Click it once and let Canva do the heavy lifting. The processing time will vary depending on your video's length and how complex the background is. While it's working, keep the tab open and avoid switching away if possible, so it can complete smoothly. Once the background is removed, you'll see your subject isolated. This is where you can refine the look of your scene. You can resize the clip to make your subject larger or smaller. Reposition it on the canvas to line up with your design and add a new background behind the original footage. To add a background, bring in a photo, a solid color, a gradient, or even another video from your uploads or the Canva library. Place that background on the canvas and make sure it sits behind your subject. If needed, use the position controls to move the new background to the back so your subject stays in front. Preview your timeline to check edges and movement. If the background was busy or your subject blends in, try a background that contrasts well or add a soft blur to your new background to keep attention on your subject. Small adjustments in size and placement can make your composition feel more balanced. When everything looks good, play the video through once more to confirm the cutout remains clean throughout the clip. That's it. Thanks for watching.